Hey guys, what's going on? It is Dr. Linz here, and today we're going to do another awesome legging review. I'm going to tell you the pros and cons. This is a very popular legging that I'm going to share with you today. But before I get into it, don't forget to give this a like if you like this and subscribe so you never miss another review or helpful video. All right, today we have Gymshark. We have the GS Power legging. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna dive into some pros and some cons personally, in my opinion, that I felt while wearing these leggings. Before I do get into those things, to let you guys know, I'm 5'3", 145. I have bigger legs, smaller waist. First thing I will note while we're on the topic of sizing is that I had to size up. And these, the Vital Seamless, I wear a size extra small. Here I have a size small, and honestly, I feel like I could maybe have even gotten a medium in these because they were a little tight on me. I felt like they were a little tight, but they did fit fine when I had them on. But again, it's just a little snug in the waist, I felt like, and even on the legs. So here's some pros and the features about the leggings in general. Okay, so the front here, we got a little swoopty swoop in the front. I show you that in the little video. And then also with these leggings, they have a nice high hip. Okay, I like the high hip. That is one thing I like because that's gonna make me look a little bit taller. My legs a little bit, not look taller, but my legs a little bit longer looking. So you'll see that in the hip feature. And then the booty feature, I really like. It goes up, accentuates the glutes, and then also there's a little scrunch booty. There's a little scrunchy scrunch in the booty and the booty crack to help, again, accentuate the glutes and all that booty work that we're doing to grow them glutes, girl. So I do like that. It does accentuate it. It makes it look nice. So I really like those things. Another feature you'll notice is on the left leg, there is a big old Gymshark print here. I like that, how they did it, because it's not raised up. It doesn't look like it's going to wash off, which is nice because sometimes that will happen. So that was cool to see. Due to how small I could have sized up, I think when it stretched, I could kind of see like the crackles in the lettering. But again, I think that was because I could have personally sized up a little bit. The length also was good on me. Now, one thing, since I am a little bit wider in general in my legs, I feel like that does pull it up. So maybe if you're a little bit taller than me and you don't have as wide as legs as me, the length may still be proper for you as well. But since, again, wider, it's going to pull up that material a little bit. So the material is very soft, very buttery, very smooth. It reminds me a little bit of a more athletic material. So like if you're sweating hardcore, that it's going to wick that sweat a little bit and not feel as heavy, if that makes sense. I feel like these are going to be very breathable and something that's not going to make you feel super hot when you're getting your workout on. Now, they also have a black and a gray color that I love. I feel like the black would be super versatile to get, and they look rockin'. So that's a little bit about the material. I do like how the material feels. It feels athletic instead of like that cottony heavy material, which I don't really care for personally. Okay, so now for some things that I don't like. Okay, I do like how these hit on my waist. I like how higher waist leggings. I like my belly feeling secure, and they do make my belly feel secure. But what I do not personally like, and these aren't the only leggings that do this, but the front kind of swoops down, and I feel like it kind of hugs my little pooch that I have, and where it hit me there, I just didn't really care for it. I may be able to get away with that, however, if maybe I sized up. Maybe it wouldn't pinch that area as much and it make me feel as self-conscious. Number two thing for me personally, again, that this print made me feel bigger. Like my legs are really big, my hips are wide, so I felt pretty wide wearing these, and I kind of felt jiggly wearing them as well. And I kind of laugh because I am self-conscious about my legs, so it's something I do like look at or whatever. And so that's just something about this print that I didn't really vibe with for me. And plus it's kind of loud too for me, and so that's probably another reason why. So those were the two things that stood out to me. Is one, it made me feel kind of bigger, it made me look kind of bigger, I feel like, and then how the band swoops down. Other than that, I feel for the price that these leggings are a win. I will say that I would lean more towards the Vital Seamless. I feel rocking in those, so I would, for me personally, get those over these ones. But again, to each their own, everyone is a little bit different. So there you have it. These are the GS Power leggings for your girl. If you guys have any questions, please drop them below. I have a shorts review coming next week that's going to be phenomenal to help you guys find awesome shorts. Until next time, we'll talk to you guys later. I love you so much.